Alright, metalheads and fabricators, listen up. If you think your current plasma cutter is powerful, you haven't seen anything yet. The machine's coming in 2026. They're a different breed. We're not just talking about more amps. We're talking about cutters that connect to your phone to diagnose problems, ones that can literally change their arc with the type of metal you're cutting, and portable models with a battery life that will make your corded cutter feel like an anchor. I've been putting the prototypes through their paces, and what I found will completely change how you approach your next project. One of them sliced through 1-inch steel like it was butter. Let's get into it. Number 1. bestarc Plasma Cutter. Powerful cutting ability, this plasma cutter is designed to operate on dual voltage, making it versatile for various settings including home environments, workshops, and hardware shops. It boasts a professional-grade cutting performance, achieving 1/2-inch clean cuts on a range of materials including iron, steel, aluminum, and copper, thanks to its advanced inverter IGBT technology. Ideal for those who engage in both DIY projects and heavy-duty tasks, this tool can handle maximum cutting thicknesses of 5/8 inch, 16 mm, at 35 A when operating at 110 V with 50 psi, or up to 1 inch, 26 mm, at 50 A when running at 220 V with 65 psi. It's essential to use dry compressed air for optimal performance, and the machine's power breaker can handle up to 40 A at 110 V and 30 A at 220 V. Blowback Pilot Arc. The bestarc Plasma Cutter integrates a blowback technology, featuring a non-high-frequency, non-HF, pilot arc coupled with CNC capability, which significantly reduces the risk of high-frequency signal interference. This advancement enhances the overall cutting stability, allowing users to create precise cuts. Unlike traditional methods, the blowback pilot arc enables a non-touch start of the arc without contacting the metal surface, providing convenience and efficiency. Additionally, the machine is equipped with 2 connection ports, a 2-pin connector that delivers arc voltage output at a 1:1 ratio and a 5-pin connector designated for signal control. Such a design facilitates seamless integration with CNC cutting tables, making it an excellent choice for automated cutting applications. Number 2. YesWelder Multifunctional Welders. Elevate your welding and cutting experience with a 6-in-1 multifunctional welder and plasma cutting machine, engineered to meet the diverse needs of both novices and seasoned professionals. This all-encompassing powerhouse seamlessly integrates MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun compatible, cut, TIG, and stick functionalities, making it the ultimate choice for anyone looking to enhance their metalworking capabilities. Key features. Smart MIG technology. The machine features MIG synergic setting, which streamlines the welding process by automatically matching the voltage to your adjusted wire feeding speed. For those who prefer more control, the MIG manual setting allows users to fine-tune both the wire feeding speed and voltage according to personal preference. Additionally, the welder is aluminum MIG weldable and supports a spool gun compatible feature, enabling effortless aluminum welding when an extra spool gun is purchased. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN iControl. This plasma cutter machine uses non-high-frequency blowback start, eliminating the electromagnetic interference commonly found in traditional HF machines. The pilot arc allows you to cut without touching the metal, ideal for rusty or painted surfaces. Delivers up to 55 A, 240 V, for smooth cuts through steel, stainless steel, copper, and more, up to 1 inch, 26 mm, thick. Ensures smooth and clean edges for professional-grade results. Cutting range, 120 V, 12 to 15 mm, 240 V, 18 to 26 mm. Smart App Control. Built-in app connectivity allows you to control and monitor your cut 55 MP remotely via your smartphone. You can adjust cutting current, monitor air pressure, receive error alerts, and even track work status in real time. With app control, you can increase efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve operational safety. Multifunction cutting supports expanded metal, rust removal, and plasma gouging functions. Expanded metal ensures continuous cutting on mesh or perforated materials. Rust removal enables non-contact cleaning of corrosion or coatings. Plasma gouging levels surfaces and strips paint, ideal for repair and fabrication. Note: replace the nozzle when using plasma gouging. Number 4. X1 Pro 700W Laser Welding Machine. Powered by industrial-grade coherent laser chips, the X1 Pro Laser Welder combines 6 powerful functions: CNC retrofit, underwater welding, laser welding, precision cutting, rust removal, and seam cleaning into one compact, efficient machine. Certified by SGS, its weld quality rivals professional TIG/MIG systems while delivering 4-8x faster results with a minimal heat-affected zone (HAZ) that prevents warping on thin metals. An external wire feeder provides steady wire supply for longer, cleaner, and more reliable welds. Built to perform from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, the X1 Pro handles extreme environments with ease. Its innovative waterproof design allows the welding head to be submerged for safe underwater welding, eliminating electric shock risks found in traditional methods. Equipped with an intelligent thermal management system, it extends the laser source lifespan by 45% compared to similar products, delivering over 15,000 hours of reliable operation. Backed by a 2-year laser source warranty, the X1 Pro ensures lasting durability and peace of mind. Enjoy a cleaner, safer work environment. Number 5. PRIMEWELD CUT60 60 amp. UT60 Pilot Arc offers a comprehensive 3-year warranty, ensuring reliable USA-based support for any issues that may arise during usage. This cutting-edge PT60 blowback cutting torch is designed with a Euro-central connection, making it compatible with various European systems. The blowback start technology is an innovative feature that allows for seamless ignition, providing a user-friendly experience. This torch operates at a robust 60% duty cycle when set to 60 amps, giving users the flexibility to choose between 110 and 220 volts with the included adapter, catering to different power requirements. One of the standout features of the UT60 is its continuous pilot arc capability, which allows for superior cutting performance. This technology enables users to cut through a variety of challenging materials, including expanded, rusted, and painted metals without pre-cleaning, making it an ideal tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. So, after throwing everything I had at these machines, mention your number 1 pick, e.g., Hypertherm 105X, is the one that earned a permanent spot in my shop. The cut quality and smart features are just in a league of their own. If you're ready to step up your cutting game in 2026, all the details we have, specs, projected prices, and potential release dates for every model we tested, are linked down in the description. Which of these beastly cutters are you most excited about? Tell me in the comments below. If this sneak peek into the future of fabrication saved you hours of research, do me a solid and smash that like button, share this with your welding crew, and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews on the tools that actually perform. Now go make some sparks!